We will discuss the inflows and the Ripple stablecoin in this episode. Officially, tomorrow is when it will go live. We might have seen XRP for that reason have somewhat recovered, but we'll discuss the stablecoin's effects first. Which stablecoin is it? What the XRP ledger will do? What will the stablecoin accomplish for XRP? Will it be sufficient for all of these exchanges? We'll discuss who is listing it. There will be many more in the future. Ripple is doing a fantastic job. And then we received some significant news from Project Pax. Yes, you might not be familiar with it, but I will ensure you are informed and aware of it. Indeed, I believe it's related to the RLUSD currency. So, without further ado, relax, and let's dive right into Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is currently $6,196, up 2.87% from the previous day. Ethereum at $4,041. Ethereum is currently up 3.63%. XRP is currently trading at $245. However, I think my tiny eye saw that it was slightly higher at $250 earlier today. Both USDT and USDC arrive at 99C. Do you think money has been deployed into the markets if USDT traded above $1 in this morning's video? Whenever you see the stablecoin trading above $1, the money automatically returns to its previous level, rotates, and pumps the markets. This pattern has been consistent since my initial entry into the cryptocurrency space in 2017, and the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies now stands at $3,756 billion. Everything is bullish. Sales are increasing, and the overall outlook is bullish. Cardano is hovering above $1 at 218. We aim to increase the AG bar by 28 cents, which is why Polkadot isn't performing as well as it should. It's encouraging to see ARB returning to the market. ICP will soon begin operations, arriving at $12. I mean everything. I'll leave. We believe that Ando would touch 1 to 3 in 2025, but it's currently hovering flat between 42 and above $2. Gala is poised to outperform EOS, which is currently trading at 5 cents, a fact I was unaware of. Quant do 34 people, be aware that everything you touch will explode. It's simply bullish. It's called a cryptocurrency. Crypto inflows are close to 4 billion, with Ethereum taking the lead. According to the report, cryptocurrency inflows hit an incredible $3.85 billion, breaking a previous record set just a week ago. Bitcoin led the charge, accounting for $2.5 billion of last week's inflows, bringing its year-to-date total to an astounding $36.5 billion. I mean, it's crazy. I informed you. And many people wish to mention that it's alt season. It's not ancient at all. Why hasn't there been a Bitcoin season? Is alt season coming your way? Bitcoin is leading the way for the current influx, proving to you that it always goes first. But where does Bitcoin go from here? Indeed, we are approaching that range. I previously mentioned that we should return to the first page of Live Coin Watch. The range is 107 to 115. As we can see, it must pass before 150,000 appears in the blink of an eye. This was released by Smoke Dog. He says the debut of RLUSD coincides with Project Pax. The three biggest Japanese banks are spearheading a stablecoin movement. These institutions have connected their traditional and blockchain-based financial systems with the SWIFT network and are Ripple-enabled. Did you hear that Project Pax is scheduled to launch in 2025, 2 weeks away? Excuse me, but the XRP leg will facilitate the functioning of Ripple's stablecoin across the SWIFT network. RLUSD will be among the first digital assets issued by Ripple to operate across the SWIFT network, facilitated by the XRP ledger. These are the articles. The three main banks in Japan, BC, SMB, and MUFG, miss you when you release project bundles. This project, aiming to commercialize the platform by 2025, will leverage SWIFT's API structure for compliance and efficiency. In a previous article, we mentioned that all three of Japan's biggest banks had joined the Japan Bank Consortium by utilizing Ripple. However, why would they all do so when using a stablecoin? The stablecoins on the XRP ledger. If a stablecoin appears on the XRP ledger, it utilizes XRP. You might imagine that during Ripple's attendance at these crucial meetings, where Brad Garlinghouse sat with the heads of the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, the BIS, and the IMF, they expressed reluctance to use a digital asset, despite their knowledge of its speed. There isn't much slippage, but why not just have a stablecoin to give us that extra layer of security we want? This will prevent price fluctuations because if we try to move millions of dollars and it drops a penny, we could lose a lot of money. What would happen if you released the stablecoin and its usage resulted in the use of a small digital asset, XRP, on the XRP ledger? However, we don't experience any volatility because we are confident that Ripple will consistently back the stablecoin with the US dollar. What are your thoughts? Do you? Can't you see the signs clearly? This is just amazing. 2025 will be a memorable year, and I'm not sure you can handle it. What can we expect from 2025, given that it bears some resemblance to you? We know how this works, but we also know who the real supporters are and who are the people who have been backing Ripple and XRP. As XRP begins to rise, when it breaks and reaches an all-time high all over again, you're going to see the Twitter rampage pick up even more as all these XRP haters turn into XRP lovers, telling you that they told you XRP was going to break out. Those who have been disparaging XRP for years will now jump on the bandwagon, acting as though they predicted its rise. Hey, they said, referring to the XRP ledger. Remember, you can purchase RLUSD using Apple Pay. Venmo is linked with MoonPay. According to what was reported approximately a month ago, Mooney Venmo purchased Ripple stablecoin using Apple Pay, like hello. And David Schwartz stated yesterday that there will be arbitrage and that you should avoid purchasing RLUSD below $1. Opportunities exist, but the price will soon stabilize. Thus, if you want to try something clever or cunning and think you'll get RLUSD and can sell it for $2, $3, $4, or $5, don't buy it for more than $1. If the price is less than $1, congratulations, you will profit as it will eventually reach $1. However, if it's $2, $3, or $4, don't go buy a Ripple stablecoin. Avoid spending $500 as it could result in significant losses. This cryptocurrency is steady. It's $1. It is always based on the dollar. Will it fluctuate like Tether does, or might it fall below 99,999? Indeed, it might go to 1.00001. Indeed, the value of the Ripple stablecoin will never reach $2, $3, $4, or $5. You can now proceed. Ripple declares that the stablecoin will launch internationally tomorrow. USD/RL. This is the article that we have all been waiting for. It will bring a great deal of utility to the XRP ledger, which must indicate that the Ethereum virtual machine is very close to the point at which Ethereum can be bridged on the XRP ledger, which I assume will happen early in Q1 of 2025. This implies the announcement of XRP ETFs is imminent. All the pieces of the puzzle are aligned, and the snowballs are starting to accelerate as they descend and hold onto their bits. Monday, ARX currency, all RLUSD will be listed on Mania. According to Brad, we're finally acquiring the enterprise-grade stablecoin that we all need. Unlike Tether, which simply prints money, people continue to purchase and support Bitcoin, an enterprise-grade stablecoin that undergoes thorough audits, ensuring we are aware of its origins and the existence of audits and checks. I won't be angry. Instead, I'll support it since we have been patiently waiting here for years, people. Prepare yourself to send this thing to the moon. It is going to be a fantastic day tomorrow. Let's continue to monitor the XRP markets. Appeared extremely optimistic. To get the next moonshot up to $3, let's make sure we can sit in this range early.